Stop recording me.
You better fix my whole fucking bed right now before I beat the shit out of you.
Do it.
Why? You're a pussy ass nigga. So fuck you.
Hurry the fuck up and finish cleaning that shit.
I'm getting the pillow.
Still trying to hit her. You're a fucking asshole.
You're making a big ass mess, man. You see the fuck we just did?
Did you get that on camera?
Let go of that shit.
Shut up, both of you dumbasses.
That was hilarious.
Fuck that. Get away from me.
Okay, we need to fix his bed.
Is the show over, guys?
Stop. Oh, let's see, where's my phone?
That's right, it's right here recording all this.
Okay.
How do I save it?